Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making meatball subs. It's a pretty easy recipe, and what you're going to need is a package of sub rolls. You need some meatballs, some pizza sauce or tomato spaghetti sauce, and some provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese. I got the provolone slices because I like provolone. So, alright, now I got the oven preheating so we can melt the cheese and everything, but let's get this going here. Okay guys, first thing you want to do is heat some meatballs up in the microwave. You want 4 meatballs per sub sandwich you're making. I'm going to be making 6, so I'm going to put those on there. So we're going to let these heat up, and then that way we'll make sure that they're all cooked while we're on the sandwiches. Alright, well, we're waiting on getting that done. I'll get everything else set up here. Okay guys, what you want to do after you get your meatballs started heating up, you're going to want to get your sub buns out, and you're going to want to cut not all the way to the end, but just before the end, and cut down. Cutting the wrong way, cutting towards me, which is a bad thing. You always want to cut away from yourself with a knife. I don't like what I just did, cutting by myself. And you want to cut just before the end. And then you want to reach in there and pull that apart. Alright. Then you take your 4 meatballs, and you can go ahead and place those in the cut that you just made. And we're going to go ahead and go on down with all in here. So you'll get the room to for the thing here. Just be careful that so you heated up the meatballs in the microwave. They can be a little hot, so you might want to let them cool for a little bit. You don't have to. I'll go ahead and stick those in there. Why they? All right. Yeah. So. Okay. And the next thing we want to do, let me wash my hands real quick. Get that grease off. Alright, next thing you want to do is take your spoon, get your pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce, whatever you want to use, and just get a spoonful, lay it on top, a little bit more on there to cover it up pretty good, just lay it on top there. Get your meatballs covered up. Okay. Just go right on down the line here. Alright. A little bit more on that one. Yeah, you can use more or less on this. But the next thing you want to do is take your cheese, break it in half, and layer those on top like so. I got the provolone. I like the how provolone tastes. Use mozzarella, or get you some shredded cheese. And just put these all these sandwiches together. You put them like this. This will help hold them in the straight up in the oven. Alright. Fold that last one in half. Get it in there. Alright. Now, this is what they look like before they get cooked. So, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. I got the oven heating for 350, and I'm going to put them in for about 10 minutes. Check on them, make sure that the cheese is all melted. You don't have to worry about the meatballs since you cook those in the microwave. Being full, just make sure your bread's toasted and your cheese is melted. And so we'll go ahead and put this in the oven, and I'll see you when it's ready to come out. Okay guys, I've taken it out of the oven. I've let it sit for about 5 minutes. I checked it at 10 minutes. It was melted, starting to get a little brown. I liked it a little bit more brown than what it was, so I left it in for about a few more minutes till it got a little bit more toasted. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of these here, and let's see how this tastes. Oh, it tastes so good. Okay guys, this is how you make a meatball sub. It's real easy. You just get the little store-bought ones, or you can make them yourself. It's as easy to get the store-bought. Make sure you cut the buns. Be careful with the knife that you don't cut yourself. Preferably you cut away from yourself, unlike what I did. And then you put the pizza sauce or spaghetti sauce, whatever you use, your choice. And then you put your choice of cheese. I used the Provolone. Mozzarella is good to put on it too. Well, if you guys would like to comment below, and also if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch more cooking videos like this. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure type videos. I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to enjoy this here.